Samsung is offering an open enrollment period for Samsung Care Plus until June 30th. This program is available for owners of the Galaxy S24 series, Z Fold 5, and Z Flip 5. Traditionally, enrollment in Samsung Care Plus is limited to the first 60 days after purchase. Samsung is extending a helping hand to Galaxy smartphone users who missed the initial window to sign up for its comprehensive device protection program. Samsung Care Plus. This first ever open enrollment period, available from now until June 30th, offers a second chance for peace of mind to owners of the Galaxy S24 series, Z Fold 5, and Z Flip 5. Traditionally, Samsung Care Plus enrollment is limited to the first 60 days after purchase. The program offers a suite of benefits, including unlimited repairs for accidents such as drops and spills, mechanical breakdowns, and even theft and loss depending on the plan. But is Samsung Care Plus worth the cost? This is a question that potential subscribers need to weigh carefully. The monthly subscription fees can range from around $10 to $18, while 2-year plans can cost up to $350, depending on the device and the specific plan chosen. On the other hand, the cost of repairs for these premium Galaxy smartphones can be substantial. For instance, a screen repair for the Galaxy S24 Ultra could set you back $259, while fixing the inner screen of a Galaxy Z Fold 5 could cost a staggering $539. A single repair incident like this could easily surpass the cost of a year or two of Samsung Care Plus coverage. As premium smartphones become increasingly expensive, the appeal of comprehensive protection plans like Samsung Care Plus grows stronger. For Samsung, this open enrollment is a strategic move that not only generates additional revenue but also fosters customer loyalty by showcasing a dedication to post-purchase support. In an increasingly competitive market, such initiatives can significantly change consumer perception.